Camera footage captured a significant safety incident at an active construction site involving a heavy commercial vehicle and a pedestrian. The incident occurred when a truck began reversing without the assistance of a designated spotter to guide the driver through the site. Due to restricted visibility and large blind spots, the driver was unaware of a worker walking behind the vehicle, resulting in a forceful impact that knocked the individual to the ground. Fortunately, the driver applied the brakes immediately upon contact, preventing further harm. This event serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of strict backing safety protocols, mandating that heavy equipment must never reverse without a trained spotter, requiring all personnel to maintain eye contact with operators, and emphasizing the importance of high visibility gear and constant situational awareness in active work zones. Camera footage captured a significant safety violation during a routine material handling operation in a warehouse setting. While a group of workers was moving inventory along the racking system, one individual bypassed safety protocols by stepping directly onto a moving mechanical component. The sudden momentum of the machinery immediately compromised his balance, pulling him forcefully backward and causing him to tumble onto the floor. Fortunately, the worker was able to recover without sustaining injuries. This near miss serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of staying clear of active mechanical parts, mandating that personnel must never use equipment for anything other than its intended purpose, and emphasizing the vital importance of maintaining situational awareness to prevent falls and mechanical entrapment in high-traffic work zones. Video footage captures a high-risk incident involving a pedestrian and electrical infrastructure. On an otherwise calm day, an individual climbed onto the top of a shipping container situated in close proximity to overhead power lines. The man appeared to be experiencing a significant lapse in self-control and judgment. In a moment of extreme negligence, he reached out and made contact with the high-voltage lines, resulting in a severe electrical discharge that left him immediately incapacitated and unable to move. This alarming event highlights the absolute necessity of maintaining a safe distance from all electrical utility lines, mandating that individuals must never climb on structures near power grids, and underscoring the critical importance of responsible behavior and sobriety, as impaired judgment in hazardous environments can lead to devastating consequences. Camera footage captured a significant safety incident at a stone processing yard involving a powered industrial truck and a ground worker. The incident occurred during the transport of heavy stone slabs. A forklift operator failed to maintain a safe, controlled speed, causing the vehicle to accelerate beyond the pace of the worker walking ahead to stabilize the load. Due to this loss of speed control and the lack of a safe buffer zone, the forklift collided with the worker from behind, knocking them to the ground. This event serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity of strict forklift safety protocols, mandating that operators must always maintain a safe, walking speed pace, requiring that pedestrians never walk in the direct path of travel of moving machinery, and emphasizing the importance of proper load securement so that workers do not need to manually steady materials while the vehicle is in motion. Camera footage captured a distressing incident in a crowded public area where an individual appeared to experience a sudden medical crisis or loss of physical stability. The man exhibited signs of severe dizziness and loss of motor control, causing him to stumble and fall directly into large containers of boiling water used by a nearby vendor. The impact resulted in widespread thermal injuries as the scalding liquid saturated his clothing. Bystanders immediately rushed to his aid, working together to pull him away from the heat source and assist him to his feet. This unfortunate event highlights the critical importance of immediate public intervention during medical emergencies and underscores the necessity for vendors to implement safety barriers around high-temperature equipment in high-traffic areas to prevent accidental contact during a fall or emergency. Camera footage captured a high-risk situation involving a road roller and its operator during repairs on a damaged section of roadway. While the crew was working to stabilize a landslide area, the heavy machinery began to lose traction while reversing. Due to the unstable ground and slippery conditions, the vehicle slid toward the edge of the embankment, appearing as though it was about to tip over. Recognizing the immediate danger, the operator demonstrated rapid emergency response by jumping clear of the vehicle to ensure his own safety. Fortunately, the machinery regained its balance and did not overturn. This incident serves as a critical reminder of the hazards associated with operating heavy equipment on unstable terrain, mandating that crews conduct thorough ground stability assessments before beginning work, and emphasizing the necessity for operators to have clear exit strategies and for sites to implement stringent safety perimeters when working near steep or compromised slopes. Camera footage captured a startling incident involving a pedestrian and a deteriorating residential structure. As a man was walking along a perimeter fence and paused to look inside a property, the large wall suddenly suffered a complete structural failure, collapsing directly in front of him. The collapse appeared to be caused by severe structural instability or a compromised foundation. Fortunately, the individual was not struck by the falling debris, narrowly avoiding a serious impact. This event serves as a crucial reminder of the hidden dangers of unstable or poorly maintained infrastructure, mandating that property owners conduct regular safety inspections of perimeter walls and emphasizing that pedestrians should maintain a safe distance from aging or visibly leaning structures, as structural integrity can fail without warning. Traffic camera footage captured a high-stakes incident involving a large commercial semi-truck on a busy highway. While traffic was flowing normally, the container truck suddenly experienced a loss of control, accelerating rapidly and veering out of its designated lane. The situation posed an immediate threat of a high-speed collision with surrounding vehicles. Fortunately, the truck managed to exit the roadway entirely, avoiding contact with other motorists before coming to a stop in a clear area off the main highway. This near-miss highlights the critical importance of regular heavy vehicle maintenance, especially regarding braking systems and steering components. It serves as a vital lesson for all drivers to maintain a safe following distance from large trucks, and for commercial operators to practice defensive driving techniques, ensuring that in the event of a mechanical failure, the safety of the motoring public remains the top priority. Camera footage captured a startling near-miss incident in Vietnam involving a traffic official, a pedestrian, and a moving commercial vehicle. The scene shows the official walking alongside a citizen near a busy roadway as a truck approaches their position. Suddenly, in a moment of erratic behavior, the individual walking behind the officer appears to push him directly into the path of the oncoming truck. Demonstrating incredible situational awareness and rapid reflexes, the official managed to pivot away instantly, narrowly avoiding a serious collision with the front of the vehicle. This alarming event highlights the unpredictable nature of roadside environments and serves as a critical reminder of the importance of maintaining constant vigilance, practicing defensive positioning when near moving traffic, and the necessity for all personnel to remain aware of the actions of those in their immediate vicinity to prevent unexpected hazards. Surveillance footage captured a high-risk safety incident involving a maintenance crew performing service on a stationary heavy-duty truck. While the technicians were focused on servicing the tires, the vehicle unexpectedly began to roll forward. This dangerous movement was likely caused by a failure to engage the emergency parking brake or a neglect to use proper wheel chocks to secure the heavy machinery on the shop floor. One technician, positioned directly in the path of the drifting vehicle, recognized the immediate threat and demonstrated rapid emergency reflexes by sprinting clear of the danger zone just moments before the truck gained momentum. Fortunately, the individual avoided contact with the vehicle. This near-miss serves as a critical reminder of the absolute necessity for stringent lockout-tagout, LOTO, and wheel-chocking protocols, mandating that all operators must verify the parking brake is fully engaged and that safety chocks are securely placed before any maintenance work begins to prevent accidental vehicle movement.